Everyone is talking about AI stocks, but nobody is talking about this risk. That sentence alone has made millions of people open their brokerage apps in 2026. And most of them have no idea what they are actually buying. There is something happening right now that feels very familiar to anyone who has studied market history. A new technology arrives. It is real. It is powerful. It genuinely changes the world. And then something else happens. People stop investing in the idea and start investing in the excitement. That shift is where most ordinary investors lose money. Let us go back to 1999. The internet was real. It was changing everything, and investors were pouring money into anything connected to it. Pets.com raised $375 million. It had no profit, no clear path to profit, but it had .com in its name. And in 1999, that was enough. Within a year, it was gone. Not because the internet failed, Amazon survived. Google was built in that era. The technology was real. But hundreds of companies that rode the wave of excitement without substance behind them disappeared completely. Now look at 2026. Artificial intelligence is real. It is transforming industries: healthcare, logistics, software. The technology has proven itself. But here is the question almost nobody is asking. How much of what you are paying for today is the technology, and how much of it is the excitement around the technology? This distinction matters more than almost anything else in investing. When something is in the news every day, when your colleagues are talking about it, when social media is full of people who bought early and made enormous returns, your brain registers this as consensus. And consensus feels safe. But in markets, consensus is often the most dangerous place to be. This is called narrative investing, buying a story rather than a business. And the fear of being left behind is one of the most expensive emotions in investing. The risk in AI investing in 2026 is not that artificial intelligence will fail. It almost certainly will not. The risk is that even if the technology succeeds beyond every expectation, the prices people are paying today may already reflect that success, and then some. The pattern is always the same throughout history. Real technology, real transformation, real companies. Prices that run far ahead of reality, then correction. So before you buy anything, ask yourself one simple question. Am I buying this because I understand it, or am I buying this because everyone else is? That question separates the investor from the spectator. Artificial intelligence will shape the next several decades. The companies building genuine infrastructure will likely create enormous value over time. But being right about the technology and making money from the technology are two very different things. Wealth has never been built through excitement. It has always been built through clarity, patience, and discipline.